EGIOZR Vertical 13-in-1 Desktop Docking Station. Ultimate productivity and charging hub. Transform your workspace with the EGIOZR Vertical 13-in-1 Desktop Docking Station. A powerful and versatile all-in-one hub designed to simplify connections, boost productivity, and eliminate desktop clutter. This feature-packed docking station combines high-speed data transfer, advanced charging technology, and expansive connectivity in a sleek, space-saving vertical design. Electric plug power and charging equipped with 140W gallium nitride (GaN) fast charging technology. This desktop dock delivers efficient, high-density power while keeping heat and size to a minimum. Charge your laptop, tablet, smartphone, and other devices simultaneously with smart power distribution that keeps everything running smoothly. GaN technology also enhances energy efficiency and reduces bulky adapters on your desk. MD integrated M.2 SSD enclosure. Built-in support for an M.2 SSD enclosure enables ultra-fast high-speed data transfers, perfect for backups, media libraries, and large project files. Enjoy quick file access and expand your storage directly within the docking station without extra adapters. Globe comprehensive connectivity with 13 versatile ports. This dock expands your system's capabilities with options for USB peripherals, networking, displays, and more. Whether you're connecting monitors, external drives, keyboards, mice, or Ethernet, this hub handles it all while centralizing cable management for a cleaner setup. Desktop computer vertical. Space-saving design. The modern vertical form factor reduces desk footprint while improving airflow and accessibility. Its thoughtful layout keeps cables tidy and devices within easy reach, making it ideal for professionals, creators, and multitaskers. Sparkles, stylish and functional. A transparent hard drive housing adds a sleek, futuristic look to your workspace, while customizable RGB lighting modes let you personalize your setup. The modular design even allows you to remove or configure components to suit your needs. Bullseye universal compatibility, designed to work with a wide range of laptops, desktops, and USB-C devices. This docking station is compatible across platforms and supports global voltage standards, making it perfect for both home and office environments.